Alright guys, this is my quick install setup. First time on the Insta-Tent Ozark Trail from Walmart. This thing's got this new dark walls, I guess, and it's an Insta-Tent. I needed something to set up with my son if I'm going camping. He's not able to help me like my wife is, so here it is. I just took it out of the box and or opened the package, and there's a box. So I'm going to open this up and I'll get right back to you. Okay, out of the box is just the bag here. It's got two straps, or I should say the tent. It comes with these two straps here. Off go the straps. I'm gonna roll this puppy out. Alright, this looks like the rain fly. I'm just gonna look at the instructions very quickly, and I will get right back to this. The instructions are super simple. It looks like you just unfold everything and then click it together. So I'm gonna give it a whirl here. My wife helped me out here. So once it's unfolded, it says to just slowly start clicking in. Lift up on arm joints. I just want to make sure I'm doing it right. Extend poles.
Whoa, what a cool tent! It'll be a shame if something wet blew up on it.
Sorry, thought I heard one of them whining. Oh, there we go. That's basically it for the setup. We just have to put the rain fly on now, so we'll get back to you after this. Meant to shoot a video throwing on this fly, but honestly it was so easy to do, we just kind of threw it on really quickly. It's just simple. You chuck it on top, put the name on the front, clip on the clips onto these side pieces of fabric, and then you could put down the extra strings there for stability. Boom.